Hi everyone, I'm here today to show you how our showroom is going to work, or does work here at Candle Cocoon. Folks are a little curious as to what to expect. Basically, you would park, walk up to the showroom. There's the inner door here, which says showroom. You would walk in. If this door is closed, you wave to the person in there to get their attention through the window, ring a bell over here, and we can answer. We'll open the door, you will walk in, and the first thing you're going to see is the fragrance oils displayed. There's a sitting area that you can sit, decide. We have information on the wicking and different information on the scents, a little ambiance for your enjoyment. But yeah, we have every single one of our scents in the liquid form, and then each one of these is in the wax form. So you can do all of that. Somebody will be sitting in here to help you so that you can look around at your leisure and don't have to interact if you don't want to. Otherwise, somebody will be in there. All kinds of information on how to make candles, how to wick candles, how to color candles, everything like that. And then we just have a few things from our leftover from our retail store, some beautiful pottery and Danish iron and things like that. But then basically you would come into this area and you can look around. This is the dies that we have. These are the candle dies. All of the soap bases are on display, so you can see the different colors each one has, the micas that go with them, different sorts of molds. Here's a lot of them, well, all of the metal molds that we have. And then here's the silicone molds that we have. And so, and then we have examples of different oils. What do they look like? You can open them up, you can smell them, you can touch different things if you want to, just different packaging items. And then we get into what do the wicks look like? What are the containers that we have? You'll notice we don't have a lot of containers at the moment. We'll fix this. Then here's the wax area. You can see the forms that the wax take, you can smell them, you can look at the gel, and you can see like what the different sizes are that they have. Then there's just miscellaneous things that you probably don't even know we have, like scales and turkey basters, which help with streaking candles and all kinds of different things. Again, a few more retail items and just little odds and ends and trinkets and things like that. But let's say that there's something that you're interested in. Here's a thermometer. And so what you would do is you would take your camera and you would just get the QR code in that. And put your camera on it. Tap it. And then it would take you to the website. And from the website, you can add it to your cart. And then you can keep going. Simple as that. But thank you all for taking a peek at the inside. Hope to see you here. You can make reservations online for appointments. They're free, and it's going to look like it's $10, but then that comes out in the cart. And so actually I can show you how to do that too. You just go here, you can go to the front page, and right here is the showroom, and then you can add that to your cart, and then you'll schedule your time. And as you can see, we do these on Tuesdays and Saturdays, so you can schedule your time and pick from one of the available slots. Each slot is half-hour long, and so you get that time to yourself in the room. We're not able to do larger groups we can't do multiple groups of people with our zoning.